Hello everybody, welcome back. So I'm making this sort of cheap video today. Cheaper and lower budget than my normal videos. The production value has never been my strong point. On the Telegram, I see a few people on the Patreon Telegram at least anyway, talking about XRP. And XRP sometimes does move outside of the normal market's ranges. So I thought I'd have a little look myself, when I get the time, which is a little bit of time now, to see what's going on with it. So what we're seeing here is on the 4 hourly, there has been a snaking up of the money flow index, which is quite good, especially in the downtrend. This is the USDT pair here. We also see the same thing going on with the Bitcoin pair as well. So a fair bit of bullish divergence, which has then turned into bullish, well, I say bullish, but an uptrend on price action. Not too bad. The 4 hourly MACD has crossed above the 0 point a little bit ago, so a few days back, and now we're sort of converging into itself, but still above the 0 point, which might not be the most bullish scenario when you have these negative ticks on the histogram, as well as having a relatively high money flow index, 85. So there's not, it's not exactly Elon baby moon token style pump, coming around the corner or anything like that. But there is a chance that this could move up maybe 100, 200 sats or so in the short term before giving it all back. Maybe. Either way, the 4 hourly does still look good for continued momentum. And we'll just check the daily. Because the daily on the Bitcoin pair is one of the more interesting things that I saw. So when you see this, you can see that actually, over a longer period of time, as in like maybe a month or two, there is plenty of room for it to move much, much higher. And if you have a look at the support that's been gained on the Bitcoin pair, it's your favorite daily 200 exponential moving average. And so because of that, that seems like an all right idea for a buy, for those who don't already have it. Now, XRP loves its 200 exponential, probably more than anything else. This is one of the reasons we like to trade it and have generally traded it relatively successfully down, over the years. Trading it is the operative word. Hodling it is, well, it's not been the greatest ride, let's face it, but even so, I still hold plenty of XRP, probably more than a healthy amount. It's definitely an unhealthy amount, to be honest. So yeah, hodling it has never been a great thing, but trading it, lovely stuff. And the 200 exponential is normally a turning point for it. Once you're above it, you're likely to stay above it, and even if you do start breaking down below it, the reactions that you get on the 200 exponential are usually pretty sweet. Same thing going for bearish, for the bearish momentum. So you break down from it, you can see here, rejection from it, rejection until the breakout pump. Now, another thing about XRP is it does like to respond to signals. And unfortunately, there are no signals at the moment. Not on the daily anyway. We just take it to the 4 hourly. Still nothing on the 4 hourly with the Ichimoku cloud I'm talking about specifically. So with nothing on the 4 hourly, then we'll have to break it down even further to a 2 hourly. And actually, we do have a very small miniature pump signal brewed on the 2 hourly. And again, this points to just below 2,100 sats. So 2,150 sats is the 200 simple moving average on the Bitcoin pair here. So there is a chance of immediate continuation, as in like today, maybe tomorrow. But remember, today is Christmas Eve, and I'm not amazing with my international clock, but I imagine it's going to be Christmas for some people the other side of the world pretty soon. So with that in mind, there might not be a great deal of trading volume going through the order books at the moment. Maybe not enough to pump anything, to be honest. This is very low volume for XRP, and this kind of sums it up to a large extent, actually. Normally, you see, maybe even hundreds of millions of dollars trading for XRP. And 202 bitcoins in a 24-hour period is still good, but it's not the normal trading volume that you'd get. Let's have a look at Bitcoin's trading volume. 2.5 billion, so it's still quite high, but not massive. So, without further ado, I just thought I'd put this video out there as useful or as not useful as it might be. It's interesting to see that it is still green in comparison to other tokens out there today, which is still a bit of a flat, unchanged day. But that said, it does look reasonable for what it is. It's more of an observation than a call, to be honest with you, just because people were talking about it on the Telegram. And if you want to join the Telegram, do it in the description below. If you want to set up Bitsgap trading bots as well, they're offering 30% off for an annual subscription. So that might be something you want to think about, because we will be using bots on this channel once the market stabilizes. And remember, a bull market might not necessarily mean straight up market. It might mean sideways and choppy market. And if that's the case, that's exactly what we use bots for. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. All the links are in the description below. Hope you have a nice day, a good Christmas as well. Probably won't make a video tomorrow. Way too much going on. So yeah, Merry Christmas, everyone.